Hello, good morning, friends. It is 9:30 a.m. and it's a Saturday. We're hanging out and we're gonna do a hike. So I'm excited for that. Haven't been hiking in a while now, and I feel like I need to be out with nature. Yeah, we're gonna go to this hiking place, and I heard that it's actually pretty nice. Like it's probably one of the best hikes in Orange County, so we're gonna check it out and hopefully we see a waterfall. Yeah, I'm meeting up with Michael right now. That's the only person I'm gonna hike with, so yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Holy crap,
I didn't realize
that's a lot of people. Oh my god, she brought her chihuahua! I think you're good. She brought her little chihuahua to the hike. It's gonna get snatched up by like some hawk or something. Honestly, this hike is really nice. Like, I already like it, and I guess it's not that bad if people are bringing their dogs. We should get a mountain bike.
Those things are heavy. I'd rather than for that.
But that would be so much fun.
It's fun when you're going downhill. It's not fun when you're going up.
You're right. Heads up to my viewers, there's a lot of poop on this trail. Electric fence. Dare me to touch it? Title of the video: I went to the emergency room. Not clickbait. Michael, I've never seen this many plants before.
Place is due for a fire. I like dark things.
Well, you can start it.
I'm on camera. I don't want to say that.
I'm just kidding. Yeah, we're currently hiking towards, what is it, Black Canyon Falls?
Yeah.
Watch we get there, it's like just a little waterfall.
I know.
We have to cross the little stream. You're okay. Hey Michael,
Yeah.
It would be faster if we run. I'm just kidding. Michael's like, no.
I will fall.
Hey look guys, we found poison oak. Look. Right there, leaves of 3. And then you can tell by the 2 leaves that are touching each other.
You almost touched it.
I know. Michael just found a beehive. Just be careful. If you get stung once, they're all gonna go after you.
I think it's a beehive. That explains a lot.
Oh my gosh, look at the waterfall. Oh my god. This is not a hike. This is a climb.
Yeah.
We're climbing up boulders. Let's climb up, Michael.
How do you run up that? Dude, this is like something you have to do when you're young.
Who regrets going on this hike? So much climbing. Okay, when you guys are almost 30, go on easier hikes. Guys, we made it to the dried up waterfall. How long do you think the hike was? Like 2 hours?
What about Alex?
Ow! I got smacked with this freaking stupid plant.
Oh, fuck.
There's literally nothing there. There's a little cave.
You can climb it, right?
You can technically climb it, supposedly. I'm like, where's the waterfall? Where's the waterfall? It's like, there's like no water.
This is pretty neat though, the ferns.
You mean poison ivy?
It's not poison ivy, dude.
That looks fun, low-key. Hiking the little thing.
I'm not a rock climber.
I would low-key be down. But I can't do it with my camera though. I would fall.
I hear them? I can't find them.
I'm like, I don't want to hike anymore. I think this is enough for 2021.
Hiking? Where's Shinoar next?
Huh?
Where's Shinoar next weekend?
No. What the heck?
Why is there a peacock?
There's a random peacock here. We made it back, boys. How long was that? 3 hours?
3 hours.
Right, we're gonna get some food and drinks. Can't wait. We're trying this one. Ah, much needed drink. I think it's good. Lychee is really good. It's like refreshing. So this is the lychee rose with lychee jelly. Guys, it's so good. It's so refreshing.
You should help them with their advertising. Like,
Oh yeah, this place is called, what is it, Red Straw?
Red Straw.
This place is called Red Straw. Haven't tried this drink yet. It's called the Rose Garden. Rose Garden. It comes with rose, jasmine tea, and lychee. They gave so much. I usually try not to save it for the next day.
Oh, not with like poke.
Yeah, so I'm gonna finish it. All right, so we're gonna try some poke. Let's do this. This is so much. Just finished eating. Didn't really finish. I still have like half of it left. Yeah. So today the hike was so crazy. Did not expect it to be like 6-7 miles. Gonna go home. Can't wait to shower. Probably end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any comments, please comment down below. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.